Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your friend Solly, and today we're working on a new painting, which is a landscape as the previous one. This one's made with watercolors too. So I'll be linking that video to in the description box so you can go and check it out if you want. So this time I decided to use another kind of sheets or watercolor paper for this painting. So I'll be giving the link to those kind of sheets too in the description box so you can go and check it out. So my experience with these sheets was quite good, and I would definitely recommend you to use these ones as the paper didn't get loose or clumpy at all with water when it usually does whenever we apply too much water on a particular area. But these sheets were quite stable and it held water as much as it could according to its capacity. So I would definitely recommend you working with these. So you can have a look at them. Okay, so I find making these kind of paintings really calming and peaceful. Making landscape paintings is a therapy. So now I hope that you'll enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, that was pretty much it for today's video, and I hope that you'll have enjoyed watching. And if you all did, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also put the notification bell on so that you won't miss any updates from my YouTube channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment box down below. I really love to read your comments. And if you have any future recommendations for my new videos, then make sure to drop them too. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.